Transform your yacht with the best marine electronics installations available near you. Today, we're highlighting the top AV solutions that can take your onboard entertainment to the next level. From high-quality audio systems to cutting-edge video displays, these upgrades will ensure a luxurious and immersive experience on the water. Upgrade your yacht with ultra-high-definition, UHD, and 4K televisions. These marine-grade displays offer stunning picture quality and durability, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Enhance your yacht sound with premium audio systems from brands like Bang & Olufsen and Bose. These systems deliver crystal-clear sound throughout the vessel, creating an unparalleled audio experience. Streamline your AV setup with integrated control systems. Brands like Crestron and Control4 provide user-friendly interfaces to manage all your audio, video, and lighting needs seamlessly. Keep everyone entertained with easy AV streaming systems. These systems allow for easy access to popular streaming services like Netflix and Spotify, ensuring non-stop entertainment. For unbeatable internet access at sea, Starlink Maritime offers high-speed, low-latency connectivity. Stay connected with seamless streaming and communication, no matter where you are. Upgrade your yacht's entertainment and connectivity with these top marine electronics solutions. For the best marine electronics installation near you, contact us today.